Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, modems, patch panels and other networking applications. Standard RJ45 connectors and unshielded twisted pair wires. Conductor. QTY4 twisted pair, 24 Aruban fluorines, stranded bare copper. Wiring scheme. TSB 568B. AT&T 258A. Lifetime warranty. Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL, cable modems and patch panels. For fast Ethernet and Gigabit computer networks that require bandwidth-intensive voice, data, or video distribution applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA, EIA standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL. The molded, snagless boot prevents unwanted cable snags during installation and provides extra strain relief. For fast Ethernet and Gigabit computer networks that require bandwidth-intensive voice, data, or video distribution applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA, EIA standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL. Each of the individual pairs is bonded together to help maintain the twist spacing throughout the line right up to the termination point. Constructed from high-quality copper cable, this design minimizes near-end crosstalk, next, levels. The molded, snagless boot prevents unwanted cable snags during installation and provides extra strain relief. Available in a variety of colors to easily color code your network installation. Top reviews from the United States. It Guy recommended. Great snagless Cat6 cables. Order straight from Amazon and you won't have issues getting the wrong thing. If you've ever broken of the retaining clip on a Cat 5 or 6 when pulling a cable, then you know what a blessing the snagless variety is. The Cat6 variety is a must-have for taking full advantage of GB LANs, and the cables to go brand are really well-made cables. I've been in IT for well over 20 years and always recommend these cables by name. I've never had one of these fail out of thousands that wasn't physically damaged first. This is what I buy for personal use at home as well. The color variety is great too. Black works well around the entertainment center. Remember to buy one to use from the cable modem to your router as well to replace the low-grade Cat 5 wire that came with it.